So, we are in Vegas at the Strip. You'll see some hologram effect, as you're seeing right now. So, this is common for here sometimes and a few other places around the world. We're at a red light right now. And when it changes, or before it changes, you'll see traffic coming up as the timing of the lights. Here it is. But when they start in full force, you'll see what goes by, giving a trail of hologram effect. So, light just turned green. And look. This is what's going on. And like I said, it happens in a couple other countries. Alright, so we're not going to spend much time here. I've taped this a dozen times. And it's something to see, that's for sure. Light just turned green. We'll wait for the flow to go again real quick. Maybe get another minute of it, and then we're finished. So, it comes and it goes in waves. But it is not isolated to this place. We're outside the stratosphere in Las Vegas. And it happens. I've been coming here for a couple of years, and I've been taping this for a couple of years. And even though it looks clear right now, in about a minute and a half, it could go to who knows what. Okay, see the people on the sidewalk? We'll give it maybe another 30 seconds and then I'll move on. See the other side of the street. None of this is coincidence, none of this is natural, and it's caused by something. So heads up, brothers and sisters, this is real. Take a look at it for yourself, and I'll see you on the flip side. Check that out. If you didn't see it with your own eyes, would you believe it? Look at that.